beautiful. Welcome to the Faith Model Guide. Fearless and insightful to having online modeling course and to a journey of faith, fashion, and entrepreneurship. Today we're diving deep into the world of sustainable fashion brands and how they're transforming the industry with eco-friendly materials and ethical production. But that's not all. Let's connect this journey with the timeless wisdom of the Holy Bible, of course. It is written in Proverbs 31:25. She is clothed with dignity and honor and strength, and she can laugh about the days to come. She has no fear of the future. Just like this scripture, sustainable fashion empowers us to wear our values proudly, okay? Let's explore how you can be a part of this movement. First, let's meet some trailblazing brands that are reshaping the future of fashion. Brands like Eco Chic and Nature Wear are pioneering new pathways by using organic materials and fair trade practices. These companies embody the spirit of Proverbs 16:3, commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plans. The impact is undeniable. These brands are not only reducing environmental footprints, but also creating a ripple effect across the industry. Remember, as in James 2:26, faith without deeds is dead. By choosing sustainable fashion, you're taking a stand, making your faith and values visible through your actions. So, how can you implement these insights into your journey? Start by supporting these brands, advocating for transparency, and educating others. Whether you are an aspiring model, an entrepreneur, or simply a fashion enthusiast, your choices can make a difference, okay? After all, in Matthew 5:16, we are reminded to let our light shine before others. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. I can't talk today. Remember, the choices you make today can illuminate a path for others tomorrow. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word. Together, let's create a world where our faith and fashion walk hand in hand. Ciao.